Can you learn Forex trading on your own? Absolutely. Diving into the world of Forex trading can be a rewarding journey, and you can definitely learn it on your own. Many successful traders have done just that, using a wealth of resources available online and offline. Start by immersing yourself in the basics. Grab a few well-regarded books on Forex trading and enroll in some online courses offered by experienced traders. These foundational steps will help you understand key concepts like currency pairs, pips, lots, leverage, and margin. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. The internet is a treasure trove of free resources. Blogs, forums, and YouTube channels are brimming with valuable information. You can learn from the experiences and insights of seasoned traders without spending a dime. Also, consider attending webinars and seminars, both live and recorded, to gain deeper insights into market dynamics. One of the most practical steps you can take is to practice with a demo account. Most Forex brokers offer these accounts, allowing you to trade in a simulated environment without risking real money. It's a safe space to hone your skills and test out strategies. Staying informed about market news is crucial. Financial news and economic indicators significantly impact currency prices, so keeping your finger on the pulse of the market is essential. Develop a habit of regularly checking financial news websites and understanding how various economic events influence currency movements. Creating a trading plan is another vital step. Define your trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. A well-thought-out plan will be your roadmap, helping you stay focused and disciplined. When you're ready to dip your toes into real trading, start small. Begin with a modest investment and gradually increase your exposure as you gain experience and confidence. Reflecting on your trades is an excellent way to learn and grow. Regularly review your trades, learn from your mistakes, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Joining trading communities can also be incredibly beneficial. Engaging with other traders allows you to share knowledge and experiences, providing you with a broader perspective. Finally, stay disciplined. The importance of maintaining discipline in your trading activities cannot be overstated. Stick to your trading plan and don't let emotions drive your decisions. With persistence and dedication, you can master the art of Forex trading and enjoy the financial rewards it can bring. Happy trading! If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.